Hi everyone, welcome all of you. In this video we will learn more about export PDF using Super PDF editor software. So let's get started. Simply I have input files with me. My output folder is empty now. So I load here PDF. I'm using method 1. Select the output directory or add the files. Simply start the process. It will take few seconds to export PDF into Microsoft Word. It's currently working now. It's completed. See the result in Word file. Yeah, you can see all the pages are exported successfully. Now I am deleting the output and go to export. With you can export many more formats like Excel and PowerPoint as well as per your requirement, and you can also export the PDF to text, EPUB, XPS, SVG, XML or HTML. For demo purpose, I am going to one more example with export PDF to export PDF to EPUB. Simply your file is already loaded. You simply start the process. Your file exported successfully. Here you can see your EPUB file. You can export the file as you required. Thanks for watching the video. You can watch all more videos of Super PDF editor.